Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Akafumi Cynthia. In this training, I'm going to be showing you how to send and receive funds on Trust Wallet, and also how to turn on new tokens, and also how to add custom tokens on Trust Wallet. So let's get started. You click on your Trust Wallet app, then you can see the tokens I have here. This wallet is for training purposes, so I don't really have much funds in here. So to get started, you click on the token you want to send out, but before then you need to have gotten the contract address that you want to send the token to. So I've already copied my contract address. The next thing I need to do is to click on the coin I want to send. I'm going to be using Smart Chain as a case study here. So I want to send out right now, so I click on send. You put in your address. You can see space for address. Put in your address, then you put in the amount of BNB you want to send out. So let me say I have 0.06 BNB, so let me say I want to send out 0.01 BNB. I click on continue. You can see it said assets Smart Chain from to, you can see network fee, maximum total, etc. You click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, it will write successful. Then if you come back here, you will see that there is a red icon on this place showing you that the transaction is being processed. Then after some time, if you click here, you can see the transaction minus 0.01 BNB. If someone sent it for you, if you click on it, you see plus 0.06 BNB. Plus and minus is used to indicate inflow and outflow of tokens on your Trust Wallet. So that is it. So let's say you want to receive from someone. What you just need to do is to click on the token you want to receive. So BNB Smart Chain here, I click on it, then I click on receive, and I copy the address. Also, mind you, to avoid making mistakes of sending to the wrong address, anytime someone wants to send you token, always make sure to ask the person which network the person is sending from. Always make sure to ask the person which network he or she is sending from. A typical example is when you want to buy airtime from your bank and you choose the wrong network. You put the correct number, but you choose the wrong network. They will debit you, but after some time you will see they will refund you the money back because you did not choose the right network. And that is for the mobile banking. But in the crypto space, if you make mistake in sending to the wrong network, you might not be able to recover it. Even if you will recover it, it will take a very long process that you might even get tired of the whole process and leave it. You get? So always make sure you send to the correct network and also the correct address. So that is it about sending and receiving on Trust Wallet. So let's head over to turning on new tokens on Trust Wallet. If you want to turn in a new token on Trust Wallet, all you just need to do is to click on this icon right here. On this icon here, you can see these two arrows, this menu bar. You click on it, then you type in the coin that you want. So let's say you type in, let me see if the coin is actually showing up. It's not showing up. So you type in, let's say you want to turn on Ripple. Sorry, SRP. You see it, you just turn on the icon and you are done, nothing else. So when you turn it on, if you come back to your menu, you will see that it's already showing up. Nothing really much. So if you want to add a custom token, let me copy a new address that is not on Trust Wallet in order to show you the example. So I click on this here, copy the address, then come back to my Trust Wallet and click on this arrow here, this menu bar. click on it, put in my paste the address that I just copied. So this is it. It's already showing me a Maya token. But then let's say that this Maya token is not already showing up on Trust Wallet. What do? You click on add custom token, but in this case it's already showing, so you turn it on. But I'm also going to show you how to add custom tokens. You click on add custom token, then depending on the network the token was built on, you can see network here, you choose the network the token was built on. This Maya token was built on the Binance Smart Chain, so I'll choose Smart Chain, and then I paste my address. You don't need to click on it, you don't need to long press to paste. If not, they will actually ask you, okay, it have showed up by itself because this token is already on Trust Wallet. But then if the token is not on Trust Wallet before now, all you just need to do is to click on this paste. Don't paste it by yourself, click on paste, and it will automatically show up the token name, the symbol, and the decimals. But in a situation whereby you paste it and it's not showing up, all you just need to do is to take your time, go to the website, go to the tokens website and check the name of the coin, the symbol, and the digital. Once you are done putting the whole stuff, you click on done. And the token will automatically show up. So that is that about adding custom token on Trust Wallet, and also sending and receiving funds on Trust Wallet. I hope you learned something. If you did, kindly hit the like button so that this video will show up more. And if you have not subscribed yet, kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell to get notifications whenever I upload new videos. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.